Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix 0xc00007b error in GTA 5 using simple and effective steps. This error usually happens due to missing or corrupted system files, especially Visual C++ or DirectX components. First, restart your PC to clear temporary issues. Next, go to the official Microsoft website and install all Visual C++ redistributables, both x86 and x64 versions, then restat your system. After that, install or repair DirectX Runtime, because missing DLL files often cause this error. Now open your GTA 5 launcher like Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar and verify game files to fix corrupted data. Also, make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated to avoid compatibility problems. If the error still appears, try running the game as administrator and reinstalling the launcher. Finally, restart your PC once more and launch GTA 5 again, and the 0xc00007b error should be completely fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.